Hi guys, so this is the Parkside bench grinder from Lidl. Let's put it together, shall we? Like all their tools, it comes with a 3-year warranty. It's got a good sized flex with it, that's about 3 meters long. As well as the 2 wheels, you've also got a flexible drive, and it comes with a nice little wooden box containing 103 different heads that you can attach into that. So it's like a little mini Dremel as well. Has a 120 watt motor. It's not too loud, and it can do a whole range of tasks from sharpening, polishing, cutting. It's really a flexible little tool. I quite like it. Most of it is pre-assembled out of the box, but you can add things like the guards and plates quite easily just by tightening up a few screws. Now you can undo all these bolts and take everything off again so it fits back into the box if you want, quite easily. Personally I didn't bother, I just leave it in there with them assembled still. And then it just sits on a shelf in the garage. As you see here in this video, for where I made a little hobo stove from an IKEA cutlery drainer, you can cut steel quite easily as well if you put little cutting discs on it. It's a great little tool. I've had this one now for a couple of years, and for less than £30 I think it's exceptional value. So if you don't have one in your local store now, keep an eye out for one, and if you see one, grab one. Till next time, take care.